Hello, my name is Quincy, and I like to shoot this quick reaction video for Jordan Mackey and his Buy 9 to 5 course. I joined Jordan's course about a year and a half ago, and since then I've created multiple YouTube channels. I've used some of his techniques to get monetized fairly quickly, and a lot of his tools show you how to edit videos, how to avoid pitfalls of YouTube, how to get around certain nuances of YouTube, and how to actually really set yourself up and position yourself to win on YouTube. Jordan's course walks you through many different methods to create content on YouTube, whether you're in front of the camera or you're editing videos, creating compilations. All right, I've created compilations, and I have my flagship branded channel, Winning with Quincy, and since November I've been able to grow my channel to over 11,000 subscribers in a very high competition niche, of the make money online niche, and that channel has one of the highest CPMs of all my channels. The most valuable asset to Jordan's Buy 9 to 5 course is his Facebook group. You have access to thousands of members that all have the same mission as you, all right, and that's to create profitable YouTube channels, and you're able to connect, and you're able to connect with like-minded individuals. You're able to really get an in-depth. You're able to get reviews on different service providers, different tools. The group keeps you up on the latest news with YouTube and what's working and what pitfalls you could run into with certain methods. So the YouTube group is really, in my opinion, the best asset to Jordan's Buy 9 to 5 course. That in itself has introduced me to valuable tools that have grown my YouTube channel exponentially, and provided me with different methods, a different outlook on my approach to YouTube. All right, so once again, my name is Quincy with Winning with Quincy, and I'd like to say thank you to Jordan Mackey for all the value that you provide and all the tools that you provide in your course. Thanks, man.